Optimize it. Happy to know that my son is famous.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
It was his dream and it was our dream too.
How does it feel to be parents of an IIT, and how does it feel in society?
My name is Shashi Prabha from Electrical Engineering.
Making different is nothing, but serve to the society is something special.
I appeared JAA. That time I could not solve any problem. It was so tough that all.
वो भी IIT धारवाड़ से. We are happy.
चलिए शुरू करते हैं. आइए. So hi, please share your experience, your name, and you are from which department?
Yeah, hi, I'm Tarun from the CSA department. The experience by far has been real nice, and looking for a long time for today.
Oh, great.
Finally here.
So today is convocation day, right?
Yes.
So say something about convocation day. खाना पीना हो गया?
Yeah, we have had the lunch and let's see.
So where are you now? Like after this graduation, job or PhD or something?
I mean a lot of things right now. Family business, startups, involved in the markets.
Okay.
A lot of stuff.
My name is Sudhyansh. I'm a pass out from electrical engineering and from 2024 batch.
Okay, so your plan like PhD or job?
So right now I'm doing a job in software development.
Oh, already in job?
Oh yeah.
Okay, great. Okay, nice to meet you. Thank you. Hello, sir.
Hi.
So, sir, your son or daughter is being graduated from
My son is graduated from here, electrical department.
Okay, and his name, sir?
His name Shivam Tirmare, Shivam Pradeep Tirmare.
So, from where, sir?
I am from IIT Bombay.
Okay, great. Nice to meet you,
So I was involved with the IIT Dharwad initial setup because IIT Bombay is maintained by IIT Dharwad and IIT Goa.
Right, sir.
So the network part and system part was done by me.
Great,
So I am grateful to this institute that my son is graduated.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
Ma'am.
Same here. I am very having happy feelings. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, both of you. Hello, sir.
Hello.
Sir, your son or daughter who is being graduated from here?
My son is Parthan. He's in discipline electrical and E&E.
Electrical department.
Electrical department.
Okay, so, sir, BTech, MTech, PhD, MS, which one?
No, he already got.
Okay.
He's got a placement in Goa. He's placed in Goa, IT.
Okay, IT.
IT.
Great, sir. And you are from, sir?
We are from Mangalore.
Basically from
Mangalore.
Mangalore.
Okay. And
Karnataka.
what was your experience here in last 1 or 2 days?
Yeah, our dream come
Very
true.
nice.
Very nice.
We were very happy because it was his dream to study in IIT, and now he's come out as an IIT, so very very happy and proud for him. And yeah, we are very happy for faculty and environment, and very happy he had got many good friends. And he was actually very introvert, but now he's very open, and he's learned many things over here. So I'm very grateful and thank you for this IIT for grooming him to be a gentleman.
Thank you, ma'am. Sir, how does it feel like being a parent of an IIT, and how does it feel?
Always great.
And sir, how does it make difference in society?
It's pleasure to be a father of IIT.
Yeah. Father, parent of IIT. And we are very happy for him.
She's a medical. She's in medical.
Great, sir.
profession.
Nice to meet you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hello, sir.
Hello,
Sir,
nice to
who
meet
is nice to meet you, sir? Who is being graduate from here? Your daughter or son?
My son, Mr. Akshay Desai, he has awarded a PhD in mechanical engineering.
And sir,
I'm
you'll be
very-
glad to know that sir is very famous here.
Yeah, it is my pleasure. I'm very happy to know that my son is famous.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, how does it feel like being parents of an IITian, and how does it make difference in society?
It makes me proud. Since his completion of +2, he was thinking to enter IIT in any way, but at last he is successful in getting for PhD. So he studied here for 3.5 years. It's really, I am a proud parent of him.
तो सर अभी भी आप इनको डांटते हैं? Do you scold him?
Of course, as a parent, I have right. Whenever he does mistake, now he is kid for me only. He has not grown up for me, and he obliges. He never replies and anything. He keeps quiet and follow my direction. He knows I am directing well to him.
Right, sir. Right.
Yes.
Nice to meet you, sir. Thank you, sir.
So nice
better
of
half is here.
Better off is here only, sir. Short.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello.
Sir, how are you?
Fine.
Sir, your experience, please share.
Yeah, my experience here was very fantastic. So when I came here, I was new to entire my PhD topic or area of research, everything. And today, the shift that has happened in my knowledge, that is very significant. So I owe everything to my supervisor, Professor Amar Gaonkar, and the environment that IIT Dharwad has provided.
Sir, I know you personally, so it was really great to be here.
Yeah, it was nice to have students like you.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah,
Sir, आज का खाना कैसा था?
आज का खाना अच्छा था. It was good. तुम्हारा अरेंजमेंट था?
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very
Thank
much.
you. Thank you. Ma'am. Oh, great. Nice to meet you, ma'am. How are you, ma'am?
Fine, fine.
Sir, how does it feel, ma'am, now today?
Very happy to see here. And I'm very happy to participate in this function, convocation function.
Thanks for coming, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you all. Thank you, sir. Hello, sir.
Hi.
Thanks to be here. And sir, please let us know who is being graduate, your son or daughter?
Yeah, my son. Yeah.
Hi.
Raghav.
And which department, sir? Mechanical, electrical, which
He
department?
is computer science.
Computer science.
Yeah.
And ma'am, hello to you. Nice to be here.
Yeah, thank you so much. We
How's
are proud. Yeah, it was a great day, and we are proud that our son is graduating from IIT
And
Dharwad.
ma'am, please be somebody. So, I am keen to ask, like, how does it feel to become parents of an IITian, sir?
Indeed, it is a. I mean, all IIT is a sought after institute, and it's a proud moment for any parent that their son graduates out from IIT or any masters or. So definitely, we are very proud. Of
And
his achievements.
so, ma'am, it was forced to him to become an IITian, or it was his dream to become an IITian?
It was his dream, and it was our dream too.
Now, few
I
years.
would say it was more of his dream. We were never, never forced him for going for a particular institute, but I think he was always focused. So I think it's more of his dream. But we are very proud that he, did that.
So, please share your name and department. And all.
Yeah, my name is Raghav and I'm from the Computer Science Engineering Department.
So, what is the next plan?
I'm planning to do a job right now. So in CS, I'm more interested in like machine learning. So I'm doing a job in that domain.
So, okay,
Yeah.
already placed somewhere.
Yeah, so I'll be joining Microsoft actually next month.
So, how's your day going today?
Yeah, it's been good. The food was good.
great.
Yeah, and met friends as well even yesterday because I came yesterday.
Okay.
That's been a good day.
So, sir, you have been here first time?
This is our second time here.
Second time.
So campus is really beautiful,
Really, sir.
and arrangements have been really nice.
Thank you, sir.
And I liked the local food. It was a great idea to arrange the local food from here.
Okay, great, sir.
That was nice.
So, ma'am, what is next? His marriage?
That will be next thing.
Okay, thanks for joining us. Thank you. Thank you. Hello, ma'am.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
We are you visited here. So, ma'am, who is
we are
being?
grateful actually.
Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, who is being graduate from here? Your son or daughter?
My son,
Which department?
electrical department.
Electrical department.
Yes.
So, BTech, MTech, or PhD?
BTech.
BTech.
Yeah.
So, you came alone here?
No. My husband also.
You can call
come.
his family.
Okay.
Uh,
Come. This is my elder son.
Hi.
Yusuf Chakma.
Hello.
And sir, please join us. How are you, sir?
I am fine. Thank
Thanks
you.
to be visited here.
Okay, thank you.
So, sir, what is the next plan about your children? I mean,
Yeah, he is trying for some government jobs.
okay.
Beside this job from here.
Okay.
I think he will success.
Great, sir. Thank you. So, ma'am, how does it feel to be parents of an IIT, and how does it feel in society?
I think it's normal nowadays. Though still I feel proud of my son.
So, what do you think about your brother?
I think he should be now inspiring others also to be on a good track, and now as he is an IITian, his words gives an impact also.
So, from where you're coming?
We are from Guwahati.
Guwahati,
Assam.
Okay,
Yes.
so for all the long you've been here.
Yes.
Thank you for joining us. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Hi. Hello, sir.
Hello.
How are you?
Fine, fine.
Thanks for joining us today.
Yeah.
How are you?
Hello, I'm fine. Everybody feeling good?
Yeah.
Finally.
Ma'am, how are you?
Yeah, I'm good.
So, ma'am, please come in the frame. Yeah, little forward. Yes. So, ma'am, your son is daughter. Who is being graduated from here?
My son, elder son,
Which department?
Viresh, he graduated from mechanical department.
So, what is your next plan for him? Marriage or job or PhD?
He is planning for a master degree, MS.
Great, ma'am. So, how was your experience here?
It was good. Yeah, can you tell?
Yeah. I'll ask him the entire 4 year what he has done. So, share your experience here.
My experience, like at first I was not sure like how it will go, how things will turn out, but then what do you say, things gradually I got adjusted to things here, and I live nearby, so I could go and come. So it was go and come. I could go and come back home every week, which was helpful for me, and I could take breaks when I wanted. It was what do you say, in a whole really good experience for me, and I learnt a lot under my professors, Dr. Surya Prakash sir and Somshekhar sir. I am really grateful for them for their support, and yeah, that's all.
Sir, how does it feel like someone is in families and IIT, and how does it feel?
It's a proud moment because he is the first person from our all of the different family groups. So it's a very proud moment for all our family groups, not just family,
Yes, sir.
for group of families.
Yes, sir.
And he is an amazing, intelligent person. So
Sir.
his father is here.
Hello, sir. Sir, say a few words about your experience with this all IIT, and how does it feel? Your son is IITian now, and you are the parent of an IITian.
I am very proud of my son, Viresh. He has completed the BE Mechanical at IIT Dharwad. Actually, BTech, sorry.
Yeah.
So I am from this one, Dharwad district.
Okay, great.
So originally, Gadag. I completed my MBBS and MD from KIMS Hubli. My wife she is a professor at BIMS, Belagaum Pathology Department. I am anesthesia department. And I am very proud of my son.
Sir, any advice to the juniors looking for the IIT?
Advice, the intelligent people, they should study and aim for the IIT. It is better. So, yeah.
Thanks for joining us, sir. Thank you. Thank you.
Actually, it was his dream. My husband's
Actually, it was my dream. When I was in second year,
Great.
I appeared JAA. That time I could not solve any problem. It was so tough, that one.
You mean the physics problems and math problems?
All paper I am telling.
Okay, papers.
Paper. My son achieved it.
He cracked it, right, sir?
Yeah.
He cracked
After 25 years. Not 40 years.
40 years?
Yes, yeah. It was only JEE part 1. Now it is 2 parts.
Yes, sir. Main and advance.
Yeah, prelims and.
So, how do you feel today, sir?
Today I am proud of my son. So
what is-
all his family members.
birthday today. My husband's birthday
Oh,
today.
sir, happy birthday.
Yeah, my
Nice to meet you,
birthday
sir.
also. He is having
And convocation.
degree convocation also.
Great time,
It's
sir.
a wonderful thing.
time.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you, sir.
Yeah, okay.
Thank you all. Thank you. Hello, sir. Thanks for joining us.
Yeah.
Sir, who is being graduate, your son or daughter?
Yeah, my son only, our son.
Where is he?
Yeah, he's there only.
Hello, ma'am. How are you?
Fine.
All good?
Good.
So, who is being graduate, your son or daughter?
My son only.
Which department, ma'am?
Mechanical engineering.
BTech, MTech, PhD, which one?
He BTech completed this
Here.
year.
And now what is he doing? Job or
He's,
master degree?
actually, he is working IIT Mumbai, research associate.
Oh, great, ma'am. So, sir, is he here now?
Yeah, here only. He's there only with his
Okay, friends.
classmates.
So, how is going today? You had lunch and everything?
Lunch is very nice.
What is your experience here?
But this climate, this campus is very nice actually.
Thank you, ma'am. And Dharwad, you are from?
I'm AP, Andhra Pradesh.
Okay, so
Staying from
West
Hyderabad.
you're staying in Hyderabad.
Hyderabad.
Okay,
It's
so
a beautiful place now because of 2001 when there was admission. That time we came here. Management arranged a trip to here. So that time only construction was going on. Now everything is completed. It's very good.
So this is your third visit here, second visit here?
Second visit
Second
here.
visit here.
Yes.
And ma'am, this is your first visit?
No, I am also second visit
Second
only.
visit.
That day when he joined here, that time that parents one time that time they only constructed these buildings.
Okay. So ma'am, how does it feel to become parents of an IITian?
It's a
We
proudful
are proud
moment.
only.
We can say that proudful moment. Thanks to this IIT Dharwad for giving the opportunity for my son, and also it's a proudful moment as a parent also. It's a
Thank you,
great campus. Look forward to see so many such kind of graduates from this campus in future.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so
ma'am.
much.
Thank you for
so much.
joining.
Thank
Thank you. Kartikeya and Ajay.
Yes.
How you guys are today?
Feeling really great. Enthusiasm. Everything.
Everything. खाना खाए दबा के?
थोड़ा लेट हो गए थे, जल्दी खा लिए.
जैसा खाना आज मिलता है वैसा डेली मिले?
Not possible.
Not possible. Overall, how was your experience?
Hypothetical case.
Hypothetical case.
खाना वाला.
खाना वाला.
बस बाकी तो सब बढ़िया है. अच्छा लग रहा है.
अच्छा लग रहा है.
मौसम बेहतरीन है.
सबसे बढ़िया ये लग रहा है सब एक ड्रेस में है.
हाँ,
ये
सब एक ड्रेस
पहनना
में
है.
ना.
बस लुंगी हो जाता तो और मजा आ जाता है. बट ठीक है, स्टिल
ठीक है.
This is good.
You guys have been seniors here, so you can propose this to
अब
upcoming.
कहाँ, अब तो भाई तुम लोग देखो. हमारा डर.
तो भाई आप लोग देखेंगे.
Okay, thank you guys. Thank you.
Thank you
Thanks,
so much.
Kapil. Hello. Thanks for joining here.
Welcome.
You are looking beautiful today.
Thank you.
How was your experience at IIT Dharwad?
It was very good. I am BTech student. My name is Shashi Prabha from electrical engineering. I spent 3 years here because I am 2020 batch graduate. So it was a very good experience. I have learnt a lot from the IIT Dharwad.
So, Sashi, what is your next plan? You are going into academics or job?
I'm planning job.
Job.
Yeah.
And you're from?
From Uttar Pradesh, Agra.
And your parents are here?
No, they didn't came.
Okay, fine. So thank you for joining us. Thank you, Shashi.
Welcome.
Hello.
Yeah.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, hello.
How are you feeling today?
Yeah, very excited.
Hello, ma'am.
Very glad.
How are you today?
Yes, yes, very fine.
Sir, the first question, who is being graduate from here, your son or daughter?
My son.
Oh, you're being graduated here.
I'm being graduated. I have this one now.
So, BTech, right?
I am from
which department, sir? You remember his
He was
department?
electrical.
Electrical
Electrical,
department.
yeah.
Great, sir. Sir, being busy in life and still you remember his department.
Actually, I am in teaching profession.
Oh, great, sir.
Being a principal.
So, sir, best question for you. How does it feel to become parent of an IITian?
It's a great moment.
Great moment.
Yeah.
Ma'am, how do you feel?
Very proud to.
And how does it make difference in society?
So, making different is nothing, but serve to the society is something is special.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you. Sir, you want to say something about him? His marriage, his PhD?
No,
his
not yet. Yeah, not yet decided. But actually,
Oh, so he will decide?
Yeah, he will decide, and actually, he soon flies to US.
Oh, so you have the girl now.
PhD.
No, and this is nothing about the girl. I'm actually going to US to pursue PhD. That's
Great.
correct.
So which college?
University of Texas at Dallas.
So you have got the seat there?
I have got.
So when are you visiting there?
August 6th, 2 weeks from
Oh,
now.
recently? Okay. Nice, man.
Next month, 6th.
Next month, 6th.
Yes, yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So, sir, you have the first visit here or you have visited here already?
This is third.
Third visit?
Actually, new campus is visiting the first time.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
So you have been here, you know the growth here. So how do you feel about all these things and all?
I feel very proud that I'm from one of the IIT, the most
you are in the
prestigious.
alumni now.
Now I'm converting into alumni.
So how will you be connected with us?
Of course, I'll be connected. Like
WhatsApp or mail?
WhatsApp, mail, LinkedIn, all social media handles I follow.
So any message to your juniors?
Nothing comes for free. You need to do hard work. That's
Sir, anything for his juniors?
He has to say something.
Yeah, okay, great. Anything else you want to add?
That's it.
Thank you all for joining us. Thank you, sir. Yeah, thank you for joining us here. दिन कैसा जा रहा है? How's the day going?
Yeah, weather is so nice. so it's really nice.
Only weather is nice.
Yeah, arrangements are also nice.
Great. So you have been here for how many years?
So Corona took our 1.5 years. So
Corona took your 1.5 years.
Yeah, rest 2.5
years. So when did you join? Admission year?
2020.
2020 batch. Okay. So how was your overall experience here?
Yeah, like it was good. Like first we were in Valmi campus, and for our last semester we came here.
Okay.
So firstly we explored this beautiful campus.
Missing Valmi?
Valmi very much.
So after this convocation, you guys can go there for once.
Yeah, but time is not adjustable. Like we need to go by 7 o'clock.
Fine. So I'll ask with your names. What's your name?
Karthik.
From where you are?
Andhra Pradesh.
Which department?
CSC.
CS. And yours?
My name is Chintu.
And from where?
Telangana.
Which department?
CSC.
CS.
So myself Marwad Vinay from Andhra Pradesh, mechanical department.
Myself Arvind from Andhra Pradesh, mechanical department.
Myself Dheeraj. I am from Andhra Pradesh. I am currently staying at Kolhapur. I am from mechanical.
And now you are going to be in job or?
I am doing job.
Job.
Yeah. In Kolhapur itself. Gatkepadi Industries, design engineer.
Okay. And you?
Yeah,
Job
I am working.
academics.
Yeah, job.
Job.
At Bangalore.
Okay.
Junior product manager.
Okay.
So I am going for my higher studies for MTech in IIT Roorkee in AI branch.
Wow.
Yeah, I am preparing for competitive exams.
Okay, great. And you?
So I am working at a company in Bangalore.
So advice for your juniors?
Advice for juniors: you have best infrastructure that is possible here. Use it well, and you use the professors and all the resources well here, and
Use
make it optimize it.
Optimize it. Your advice?
Nothing. Just go with flow. That will be the quite natural.
Great. And your advice?
Work hard and enjoy your life for these 4 years.
Yeah. The goal you are dreaming of is achievable. Yeah. Come on, try and do.
And I think it is important to focus on core. Instead of going to everyone going to IT.
Okay.
Core is also having many opportunities. Like design is very promising. So someone interested in core can contact me.
So finally today is a convocation.
Yeah.
This was your one dream out of many, that one day degree from IIT.
Yeah.
So how does it feel overall?
We are very proud. I'm feeling very proud.
Your parents are here?
No, not right now.
So if parents are here, just call them. I want to know their experience. What do you feel after like their children is being ready from IIT?
Maybe you can try picking.
Yeah, sure. They are coming, and of course, if you have parents,
they are seated inside. Actually.
Okay, so after this gets over, please call them. Okay. Thank you all for joining me. Thank you, ma'am. Please. Hello, ma'am. Thank you for joining us here.
Thank you so much.
Your name, your department, and.
I'm Taruni from Mathematics Department.
And BTech, MTech, MS, PhD. Please share.
PhD.
PhD, yes, ma'am. And I know, ma'am, personally, she is a very good singer. So, ma'am, now what's your next plan?
I'm going to do postdoc in Chile, in Universidad Chile, with Professor Maya's team. I'm going to continue my research work with her. Yeah.
So, ma'am, we want to know your overall experience here.
Yeah, it has been a very wonderful experience with my supervisor, Professor Shagnik Sen. He has been very supportive, and the department is also very supportive. And I could go to a couple of international conferences with the financial support by Institute and his project fund too. Yeah, it has been very, very fruitful and satisfying experience.
Ma'am, anyone is here from your family?
Yes, my husband and my brother is
Can
there.
you please call them if they are here nearby?
They are, but they are a bit shy.
So, yeah, please just. So, ma'am, please introduce them. I mean, I can ask some questions.
He's my brother, Arun.
Hello, sir.
Hi.
He's my husband, Santosh.
Hello, sir.
Hi, how are you?
Sir, how does it feel like your sister is an IITian?
It feels great. Like, I mean, she's the first PhD, so it's really nice to be with her today.
Sir, how do you feel about all these things?
She feels good. She worked hard for it. Endless nights, but yeah, she feels good.
So, ma'am, your advice for juniors, upcoming batches?
Upcoming batches, listen to your supervisor and keep studying and have faith and patience. There'll be a lot of troubles and stress on the way, but be patient and you will see the end.
Thank you. Thank you all. Thank you for joining us. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Welcome, sir. Welcome, ma'am. Welcome. Thank you for joining us. So, sir, who is being graduate, your son or daughter?
Yeah.
Who is being graduate from here, your son or daughter?
Yeah, my daughter.
Okay. Ma'am, which department?
Electricals and electronics.
Ma'am, how does it feel like your daughter is an IITian and you are parent of an IITian?
We are very proud. It's like speechless after seeing today. We roamed all the campus from morning onwards, and it was very good.
Sir, how do you see this? Your daughter is being an IITian now.
Yeah, with pleasure. Very
grateful.
Yeah.
So, what is the next plan, ma'am? Further studies, job or marriage?
For now, she got a job in Bangalore, sign desk, and after 2 years, we plan to go for higher studies.
Okay. Hi.
Hi.
Share your name.
Grishma.
And Grishma, any advice to your juniors?
Yeah, I think it's worth studying in this IIT, and yeah, it's a good place and for opportunities, and you can grow a lot, and you come to learn a lot of things.
People are having doubts BTech from IIT and then job. Please clarify this.
Yeah, it's a good thing if you get placed in the placement season. That's good. We have to start preparing from earlier itself.
From earlier means how early?
How early? Right from when we enter the college itself. It's good.
Okay. Thank you all. Thank you. Yeah, I forgot to ask her, from where do you belong?
Yeah, I'm from Hyderabad.
Hyderabad.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you. आजा जल्दी अरे भाई मेरे असली हीरोज आ गए हरी how are you today?
I'm doing great, bhaiya.
How does it feel?
Feels like exciting. It doesn't feel like it has been 4 years.
4 years?
Since the start of the.
So finally we are doing this.
Yeah. No.
You are going to receive the degree?
Yes, bhaiya.
Finally we are excited. Graduating from IIT. वो भी IIT धारवाड़ से. We are happy.
What's the question, brother?
कैसा लग रहा है तुमको आज?
Bro, it's like out of the world. This 3 years, not 3 years, 2 years we were in campus, but
4 years में से 2 बार तो वहाँ निकल गया.
Yeah, we were in online.
Then 2 years
campus.
चला गया.
How do you feel?
Amazing. There is a lot of rain here, but it's good. Now we are in safety.
We are missing this rain last year.
Yeah.
Crying that we are leaving.
Yes, right one.
तूफानी के साथ जा रहे हैं हम वापस.
तूफान के जा रहे हैं. अच्छा, अपना नाम बताइए, अपना
मैं हूँ देवदत्त और मैं हूँ CS डिपार्टमेंट में.
Okay.
Yes.
अभी क्या प्लान है?
मैं तो जॉब ही कर रहा हूँ.
जॉब कर रहे हैं
सर.
आपका नाम?
मैं साई गगन और मैकेनिकल डिपार्टमेंट से अभी मैं UPSC कर रहा हूँ प्रिपरेशन.
I'm Abhinav. I'm from electrical department. I'll be doing my masters in ECE.
Dev, you're from?
I'm from Kerala.
And you're from?
Bangalore.
And you're from?
Tamil Nadu.
I am Surjit Raj Pandey from CSE. I am still finding a good job here, and I am from Tamil Nadu.
And Surjit, the bomb here.
Hi, I am Hari Prasad. I am from Chennai. I am doing my mechanical engineering here. My plan is to go for abroad, MS in aerospace engineering.
Oh, great. So, have you guys holded any post here? Please share.
Yeah. So the first 2 years of my study, I was the class representative for mechanical department, and on top of that, I was also a student mentor in ISMP and SMP, and I was also a music club secretary for a year. And other than that, not just sports, I was pretty much active in the cultural council as a whole.
And you?
not basically any position.
But you were every there.
Yes.
And I was like helping music club to get things done, like the technician. Yeah, I'm the audio technician basically.
Audio technician, yes.
Not particularly in any post. Like.
Okay, great. And
I was events lead in Parsec 2.0. I led Devak in Parsec 3.0. And I was one of the Senate members. I was in UGAPEC. I was also a student mentor.
Okay.
And yeah, I think that's pretty much it.
What is Parsec?
Parsec is the annual tech fest of IIT Dharwad. So we sort of come together to have a lot of events. And
like we have Parsec here, something else in some other IIT. Like how do you?
I mean,
technical fest in IIT Bombay or technical fest in other IITs.
Mood Indigo, but not really.
Mood Indigo is cultural.
Yeah, Mood Indigo is cultural.
So Parsec is kind of tech thing.
Yes, just
it happens only in IIT Dharwad.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
It happens
no, tech fest happens everywhere.
The name Parsec.
The name
yeah, Parsec
belongs to Dharwad.
Right.
Okay, fine.
Like how
so
IIT Madras has Sarang, I guess. Sarang, is it Sarang?
Cultural.
Oh, Sarang is cultural.
Yeah.
So Parsec is tech.
Parsec is tech.
So your advice to your juniors?
I don't have any particular advice. I guess just have fun and try to maintain consistency in everything. Like
and
learn.
how to look so smart and handsome like you?
I don't know, man. That's
your advice is?
Like just enjoy your 4 years of life. Nothing
Just
much.
enjoy.
Yeah, you will get only limited time.
True.
It's
But
just a
finally
4
you're
years.
getting a degree.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, my advice would be like you can be chill for initial 2 years, but get your ass off and work in the last 2 years. So you'll be end up in a pretty good place.
Okay.
So for me, I was very chill in every year. So I came to my senses in 4th year and came to know I have to work hard to achieve something.
So this interview, your professors may watch and they will say, these guys did nothing and we are giving them degree. So your advice to juniors?
So yeah, basically coming to IIT, first 2 years will be very chill. Then after 2nd year, 3rd and 4th year, you have to like maintain your CPI, study hard to achieve your goals.
CPI मेंटेन करने की बात कर रहा है
मैं कर रहा हूँ, वही बड़ी बात है.
आपके juniors के advice?
There are two things to be sure. First thing, again, you have to study, you have to be good at what you do, what you want to do in the future. And other than that, like you also have to have fun. Like fun and study both are equally important. All work and no play makes Jack a dull boy. So that's a quote I used.
So अब आप लोग चले जाएंगे हमेशा के लिए?
Yes. वापस आते रहेंगे.
वापस आते रहेंगे.
हम alumni meet तो हो गई.
Yes, everyone here, like especially you.
अरे thank you.
That's true. भैया आपके आने की वजह से PhD वालों में ऐसा भौकाल मचा है.
अरे बाप रे बाप क्या बोल रहे हैं भाई मेरा. Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, भैया.
See you soon. Yeah. Thank you. See you. मिलेंगे. Thank you.
Bye bye.
Now I'm going to call the most famous. अरे आओ रजनीश. अल्तमश. मेरा भाई बहुत फेमस और रजनीश.
He is the most famous.
Best famous.
वीरू भैया also.
अरे thank you.
वीरू भैया सबसे फेमस.
हाँ.
सबसे अच्छे वीरू भैया.
अल्तमश ये बताओ ये 4 साल कैसे बीत गए?
बहुत जल्दी बीत गए भैया, पता भी नहीं चला. और स्पेशली इस कैंपस में आने के बाद तो क्या ही बताएं, इतना अच्छा कैंपस है. और वहाँ वाल्मीकि दिन तो अलग ही थे. अपना घर था वो.
ठीक है, आप अपना नाम बताइए, अपना ये बताइए कि किस डिपार्टमेंट से हैं?
जी मैं हूँ अल्तमश शेख, मैं हूँ CSE डिपार्टमेंट से 2024 बैच.
अपने जूनियर्स के लिए क्या एडवाइस देंगे आप?
जूनियर्स के लिए एडवाइस ये दूंगा कि पूरा कॉलेज का पूरा फ़ायदा उठाओ, पूरे मज़े करो कॉलेज में. एक ही बार जाता है कॉलेज.
रजनीश से हम एडवाइस नहीं पूछेंगे. वो कुछ बता देगा.
क्या बात कर रहे हैं भैया?
बताओ.
रजनीश तुम एडवाइस दे दो.
हाँ, तो मैं रजनीश कुमार, मैं इलेक्ट्रिकल ब्रांच से हूँ.
किस ईयर में आप ज्वाइन किए?
2020 में मैंने ज्वाइन किया था. अभी 2024 में मैं पास आउट हो रहा हूँ. तो ये 4 साल मेरी इतनी अच्छी बीती है यहाँ पे, इतनी अच्छी कि बता ही नहीं सकता, एक्सप्लेन नहीं कर सकता. और यहाँ पे जो भी बच्चे अभी आने वाले हैं या जो अभी यहाँ पढ़ रहे हैं, उनके लिए यही हमारी एक्सपीरियंस है कि हमारे कॉलेज अभी ग्रोथ कर रही है. तो उन्हें आप अच्छे से उन्हें हेल्प करें, प्रोफेसर के साथ अच्छे से संपर्क में रहें और अच्छे अपने कॉलेज को और आगे लेकर जाएं.
हाँ, और कुछ अदर एडवाइसेस?
सर आप पूछिएगा तो हम ज़रूर बताएंगे.
तो आप बताइए क्या ना करें?
हाँ, बच्चे क्या ना करें, सब करें कॉलेज में. कॉलेज में सब करो बच्चे. ओके वीरू भैया,
थैंक यू. तो थोड़े मोटे हो गए और तुम. चलो है ना, चलो मिलते हैं फिर. थैंक यू गाइस, थैंक यू. हेलो सर, थैंक यू फॉर ज्वाइनिंग. कैसे हैं आप? सर कैसा लग रहा है आपको?
सर बहुत कुछ अच्छा लग रहा है.
सर आप यहाँ पे एज अ मतलब गार्जियन आए हुए हैं, भाई फादर?
हाँ, मैं तो मिस्टर सैयद लाड खान का भाई हूँ.
ओके.
और फैमिली भी आई हुई है.
ओके.
फिलहाल 2 बाहर है. तो
सर आपको कैसा लग रहा है कि आप एक IITian के भाई हैं, उसको कैसे देखते हैं आप?
सर ये तो बड़ी बात है, क्योंकि एक IIT सीट मिलना ही बहुत मुश्किल का काम है. और हमारे फैमिली में से एक एक बंदा है जो बोल सकते हैं कि घर से, ताकि एक बंदा है आईआईटी से जो डिग्रीज हासिल किया है।
और सैयद सर तो बहुत फेमस भी हैं हमारे आईआईटी में। सर अपने बारे में बताइए।
मेरे बारे में तो वो जानना है कि पहली बात तो मैं यहाँ पे पीएचडी मैकेनिकल डिपार्टमेंट से हूँ। सो लाइक कुछ सा बहुत सीखने के लिए मिला यहाँ पे। इट इज़ क्वाइट गुड एनवायरनमेंट टू लर्न न्यू थिंग्स एंड ऑल। सो इट इज़ लाइक give and take. I mean, if I have something I can also share. If I want to learn something, there are a lot of things to learn, by the way. It's a good platform, by the way.
And sir, who was your guide here?
So my guide is Dr. Somshekar M.A.
Okay.
So working in the area of additive manufacturing extensively, and even many other areas as well.
Sir, when did you join this?
I joined here in the year of 2020, August.
So you started from Valmi?
Yes, I started from Transit campus. Now ended at permanent campus.
Sir, share those days somewhat.
It is like it was initial days, like bit kind of very struggling, you can say. Like we have developed our lab own, and we procured things to our lab, and even department actually helped us very lot, and even institute as well. So to build up a lab extensively, so that like we can basically work on high-end equipments. So that is actually started from there. So then a few of the things has been shifted to permanent campus, and then it's all going good.
So sir, what is your next plan after this?
Actually I have actually got an offer from Italian Institute of Technology, Dharwad, Italy.
Okay, sir.
So there I'm working, going to work as a research scientist. So it's a research lab, by the way.
Okay.
So sooner in another couple of days, you can say consider 1 month, I'll be joining as a postdoc over there.
Sir, is PhD really tough in India or abroad, anywhere? PhD is really tough?
Definitely it is, because like we'll be working on individual problem, so that like more you dig, more you'll get stuck. So definitely it is something kind of, so definitely it is quite challenging. So one or the other way, there will be a solution for it. So we have to look for the proper way, and even the direction as well.
And sir,
yes, continue.
Yeah. Sir, where do you belong in India?
I belong to Karnataka state itself, so Belgaum district. So to be precise, I am from Saudatti Taluk.
And sir, some advices for your juniors, upcoming batches?
Advice as in, as I said earlier, so this is a give and take, by the way. Here there are many researchers are like working on very different areas. So if we wanted to know the things, we should not hesitate first thing. So even though if it is very common for us or very silly for us, we have to approach if we don't know. So like that way we have to build our career, and even communication skills by having conversation like that, and even the knowledge skills. And there are many things we will get to know once we connect each other. So that is the main fundamental, I can say. So after that, like definitely it will go on.
Okay, sir.
Yes.
And sir, what is the most fascinating thing you loved about IIT Dharwad?
Fascinating thing means first of all the research part. So we have to consider that part as a our fashion. So by then we can basically explore couple of things by looking for some, you can consider some hungerness of it. So by then you can work on the individual aspects of research problems of our core topic, and then slightly diversion to the core topic, and then connecting the things. So that's how actually all this PhD will turn out. So at the end of the day it will converge like that way only. So basically we need to look for the dots.
Right, sir.
So we need to connect.
And sir, today after it was a convocation, so how does it feel? And this is a degree, right, sir?
Correct.
So how does it feel holding this?
Yeah, it is definitely it is earned and there are lot many bottlenecks, challenges, and constructive criticisms. So those all things makes the man. So like that way, like feeling grateful and wonderful. It's an amazing a career ahead. So like that way it's going on. So let's hope for the best.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thank you for joining.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Hello, sir. How are you today?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Sir, when did you join IIT Dharwad?
So I joined in December 2021.
Sir, you please mention your name and your degree.
So my name is Aditya. So I am master's degree graduate.
In mechanical department?
In ECE department, electrical department. Yeah.
So, sir, how do you feel today holding this degree?
Yeah, today was good. Like dream come true and working hard for this moment since 2 years. I am from Andhra Pradesh.
So your parents are here?
No, my parents are not here due to some health issues.
Okay.
And,
So, sir, you have spent some years here?
Yeah, 2 years.
Yes, sir. So, what was your experience?
It was good experience. Very good climate actually. So, yeah, it was good.
And sir, give us some advices like as your juniors.
My juniors, how can I give? So, they are in their own path. So, let them take their own path.
Okay, so what are the next plans for PhD or job?
Yeah, I'm going for PhD. Yeah, University of Texas at Dallas. So I was going same electrical department, specialization in power electronics.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Virubai.
Thank you. Hi, sir.
Hi.
How are you today?
Doing good.
Sir, ये आज का कन्वोकेशन कैसा था?
Of course, बहुत अच्छा था. It's a lifetime moment, pleasant memory for the students. So all जो सब units काम कर रहे हैं, from all academic section and all administrative section, it has worked out very pretty smooth, and I congratulate all of the students that their hard work has paid them off, and it's a very nice memorable day it should be, and they should cherish these memories. Congratulations to my student also. Yes, Rahul, congratulations for my MS.
Sir, advices for our upcoming batches and juniors.
To be precise, research is research. So if you are doing any postgraduate programs, I am talking mostly for those right now. It's uncertain, and you should focus on all aspects and overall development, not be narrowed down into only one technical area. Instead of that, it should be holistic development for you, how to think, how to play, how to work in a group, and be a real contribution to the society amongst you by your by means of your research.
Okay.
Yes.
Sir, how does it feel when you see your students being successful and completing their degree, sir, as a professor?
Really a proud moment. It cannot be expressed in words. I think it's some additional remuneration that we get as a faculty apart from the salary and other benefits, that this kind of satisfaction is beyond words. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Sir, please join us. So we have Rahul sir. Sir, how are you today?
I'm good. Like
sir, share your journey.
बहुत अजीब लग रहा है, मतलब सर दुख रहा है
सर
मतलब 3-4 साल करने के बाद अब ये हो रहा है, तो मतलब एक साथ सब कुछ रिलीज हो रहा है, लाइक ऐसा लग रहा है. हाँ.
तो सर फाइनली वो चीज़ मिल गई आपको. अपने लिए ऑस्कर अवार्ड है सर.
हाँ, काइंड ऑफ
उससे बड़ी है सर.
हाँ, मतलब हाँ, बड़ी है
सर. तो सर अपनी जर्नी बताइए, कब ज्वाइन किए, किस डिपार्टमेंट में ज्वाइन किए और कैसा रहा?
इतना सब कुछ बताना है. So like I joined in apply or like not mechanical engineering department here, like MMA department. Then I joined in like 2020. So it was like long journey here to get the MS degree. Like it was too much rigorous to put here, and like you have to work hard to get the things done.
And during my admission, Rahul sir was sending mails for my admission.
Yeah, at that time, like you have to do extracurricular, lot of extracurricular, and learn lot of new things here in the campus, and do like collaborations and meet with the people and get good friends here, because they are the real degree.
So sir, now what's your next plan? Job or academics? I mean PhD or?
I'm already in my next plan, so I'm doing PhD in IIT Delhi, applied mechanics.
Yeah. Okay.
Thank you.
Sir, anything else you want to share for your juniors?
जूनियर्स के लिए हाँ, अगर कोई मतलब MS पर रिसर्च करने आ रहा है, मतलब अगर करने आ रहा है, सो ही शुड बी लाइक ओनली फोकस ऑन दिस थिंग्स. लाइक इफ मेक योर प्लान दैट आई एम गोइंग टू डू दिस कोर्स, like I'm talking about this course, he should not be preparing for anything else. If he is giving somewhere else the time, like study time, no, I'm not saying the like fun time is supposed to be there, but the study time he should not give to any competitive exam or anything else. He should be focused on this degree, otherwise it may stretch. Or if you want to get a good things like benefits out of it, then you have to work for this research only. Yeah.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for joining us.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Sir, thank you for joining us.
Okay.
Sir, who is being graduate, your son or daughter?
My son.
Okay. In which department, sir?
He completed in CS.
So, BTech?
BTech, yeah.
Okay, sir. So, how do you feel, sir? Like, it's dream come true. Like, your son is IIT now, and you're the father of an IIT.
Yeah, we really feel proud because we couldn't do in our lives, so at least our son could do it. So.
Ma'am, please forward. Ma'am, how are you today?
Fine.
How do you feel?
I feel great. I am feeling proud of my son. I am feeling proud of this institute also. The institute is really great. Infrastructure is very good.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Ma'am,
Thank
please
you,
call
IIT
him. Your
Dharwad.
son, please call your son.
Come.
इधर आओ. यहाँ आ जाओ.
What's up?
हाँ, मैम ये शादी करने के लिए बोल रहा था.
हाँ? शादी करने का?
कर रहा है.
नहीं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं बोला मैंने.
Ma'am, what is the next plan about him? Like masters or PhD or what?
Maybe after some work experience, maybe he will be doing MBA or he didn't tell me he wants to do PhD. Okay. So maybe he will be doing MBA.
Okay, right. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you,
sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Adam. कैसा लग रहा है आपको?
ठीक है आज.
आज
Not
अच्छा लग
bad.
रहा है?
हाँ, chill है.
तो अपने बारे में बताइए, आपने कब ज्वाइन किया था IIT धारवाड़?
हम सब लोग फर्स्ट एमटेक बैच है यहाँ के मैकेनिकल इंजीनियरिंग. सो 2020 में शुरू हुआ था. दैट्स इट.
और अपने जूनियर्स के लिए कोई एडवाइस दे दीजिए.
बस बी सिंसियर विद योर कोर्स वर्क और जिस डोमेन में जाना है उसमें अच्छे से काम कीजिए बस.
और संकल्प आपको कैसा लग रहा है?
अच्छा लग रहा है.
डिग्री मिल गई आपको?
डिग्री मिल गई आज.
कन्वोकेशन के दिन कुछ नया लगा आपको यहाँ पे कैंपस में?
हाँ, सब सही है. काफ़ी अच्छा अरेंजमेंट है. हाँ, अच्छा अरेंजमेंट है. सब कुछ सही है.
अरेंजमेंट अच्छा लगा आपको? ऐश्वर्या, आप बताइए कैसा लगा आपको?
काफ़ी अच्छा लग रहा है आपसे बात करके.
थैंक्स. तो डिग्री मिल गई?
बहुत अच्छा
ये
लग रहा
टफ है ना डिग्री पाना?
नहीं, आपकी ज़्यादा टफ होगी मुझे.
Thank you. Hello sir, I welcome you here. Sir, how do you feel today?
I am feeling no words to talk.
So sir, who is being graduated, your son or daughter?
My son was there.
Sir, which department?
Computer science.
BTech?
BTech.
So what is his next plan, like job or higher studies?
He is ready to do 1 year job and again he want to do the MSc.
Thank you sir.
Yes.
Ma'am, I welcome you here. Thanks for visiting. How are you today?
Yeah, like my mom is feeling good. Yeah.
Okay.
Thanks.
Yeah. Which language I can talk?
Kannada.
Kannada. Okay.
तो हिंदी में बात.
हिंदी में. मैम, आपको कैसा लग रहा है?
बहुत अच्छा लग
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. तो आप एक IITian की मम्मी हैं, तो ये कैसा लगता है?
बहुत खुशी लगता है.
So you are
देश के लिए एक सुरक्षा बनना चाहिए. देश के लिए काम करना है.
जी सर, देश के लिए काम करना.
हाँ, हमारा देश IIT के लिए कितना खर्च करता है.
जी सर.
ये हमारा भारत देश के लिए बहुत अच्छा है. भारत देश को अभी आगे बढ़ाना है. वर्ल्ड वाइड में भारत देश को नक्शे में दिखाना है. क्या है भारत देश. हाँ, क्या कर सकता है भारत देश में. हाँ, सो इसलिए क्या केंद्र गवर्नमेंट खर्च कर रहा है वो यूटिलाइज अच्छे से होना चाहिए. इसलिए सब अच्छा होता है. भारत देश को बहुत अच्छा होना चाहिए. अभी आगे होना चाहिए. अब है अभी अच्छा है, लेकिन अभी 10-15 वर्ष हुआ तो वर्ल्ड में नंबर 1 देश होगा हमारा भारत.
Thank you. So you're his brother?
Yeah, I'm his
So
brother.
how do you feel today?
See, actually I have no words, as my father said. I'm feeling very proud to be his
So you're elder
son.
or younger?
Elder.
You're elder?
Yeah, I'm his elder brother. What to say? I have no words.
How are you today?
Yeah, I'm good. Like enjoying a lot. Like the function was good. बीच में बिजली कट हुआ था, थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम लगा, पर बाद में ठीक हो गया.
बढ़िया.
बढ़िया वही.
अच्छा, और अपने जूनियर्स के लिए क्या एडवाइस है आपकी?
जूनियर से ये एडवाइस है कि अच्छे से पढ़ाई करो, CPI अच्छा मेंटेन करो, लीड कोड क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करो और प्रोजेक्ट्स बनाओ. सीनियर के साथ अच्छा बर्ताव रखो. कुछ रेफरल्स वगैरह है तो कंपनी से मांगो, जॉब से वो करो. एंड CDC से जो बोलते हो अच्छे से रूल्स फॉलो करो. And give it your best when it comes to the company.
You were involved in any kind of elections, music or dance? Or
Yeah, I was in election part. I was in I stood for class representative and I won it because I was the only contesting.
Great.
Yeah.
Okay. Anything else you want to say with us?
Nothing. Like lots of thanks to you and you're the senior.
Okay,
So
thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
And all others who has come here. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Namaste. Thanks. Hi.
Hi.
How are you today?
Yeah, I'm feeling good.
How do you feel?
Yeah, it's very enthusiastic today. Today
having
it's
degree?
my graduation day, so.
Yes. So when did you join?
Yeah, currently I joined in IIT Kanpur for my MTech.
Okay.
Yeah.
And Dharwad, when did you join?
I joined Dharwad in November 2020.
Okay, 2020.
Yeah.
So you are a UG student.
Yes. Yeah.
So now you are doing your PhD.
No, currently I joined for MTech in IIT Kanpur.
IIT Kanpur.
Yeah.
So what was your batch? I mean, in which department you were?
I was in E department.
E department.
Yeah. I took a major in VLSA.
Okay. So what did you like the most about IIT Dharwad?
Mostly the weather and the culture here. That is pleasant. Like unlike the other locations, I feel pleasant to study, and the environment is very good here, and also the faculty are very friendly. Yeah.
So you see a lot of change when you joined and now.
Yeah.
A lot of changes.
Yeah. Initially here obviously it's newly constructed. Those days it was like nearly half constructed. I think it just started that time.
Yes, yes.
Now it's so beautiful, you can see around here.
So give some advice to your juniors.
Advice to juniors in the sense, instead of wasting a lot of time on YouTube, I prefer them to follow the lectures of faculty here instead of like searching some sources online and wasting their time. I think that's really good.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
हेलो सर,
Hi.
कैसे हैं आप?
बढ़िया, तुम कैसे हो?
All good, sir. So Vikas sir, well known to me. So sir, when did you join IIT Dharwad?
We joined in September 2020.
And sir, how was your journey here?
अच्छा रहा, बहुत सारे दोस्त अच्छे थे, कॉलेज अच्छा है, कैंपस अच्छा है, मौसम अच्छा है, माहौल अच्छा है.
Ma'am, come join us. Sure. Come in frame. So sir, now you are in PhD or any job?
We are doing job.
We
got the job in Kolhapur. We are doing.
So sir, some interesting facts you remember in your friendship or something? Just share. कुछ ऐसी
Yeah,
बातें?
as I said, yeah, she's also good. And also like a lot of friends we made in 4 years.
Okay. Sir, how
Which
does
is-
it feel when you get this degree?
Yeah, finally we got this. We are waiting for.
Sir, who was your supervisor here?
Somsekhar,
Somsekhar.
Professor Somsekhar.
Okay. And sir, any advices to your juniors?
Yeah, like sometimes during research we not need to take that much stress. Take like it's relax. You take it easy. Like it will be done.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you for joining. Thank you, sir. Thank you for joining. How are you today?
Yeah, I'm very
So you are the topper of the batch?
Yeah, mechanical.
Mechanical department. What's your name?
Lokesh Beju.
So when did you join IIT?
Yeah, in 2020. 2020.
And hello ma'am.
नमस्ते.
कैसी हैं आप?
अच्छी हूँ.
अच्छी हैं. Hello sir. I want to ask how is he feeling like his son is being IITian now?
ಹೆಂಗೆ ಅನ್ಸಕ್ತೈತಿ ಮಗ ಐ ಐ ಓದಾನ ಅಂತ
ಖುಷಿ ಅನಿಸುತ್ತೆ ರೀ.
बहुत खुश है.
खुशी अनिಸುತ್ತೆ.
खुशी है सर.
बहुत खुशी.
हाँ. आंटी को कैसा लगता है? आंटी आपको कैसा लगता है आपका
बहुत
बेटा
अच्छा
IITian?
है. Proud है.
Proud है.
Proud of him.
So any advices to the juniors?
Yeah, advices is take small steps at a time and focus on your goals daily and हमेशा हर दिन वो गोल फोकस करोगे तो अगर वो गोल अचीव करोगे तो बहुत सही होगा.
Okay. And also what is the future plan like? Job or?
Future now I am applying for MTech and as well as I am preparing for UPSC.
Thank you. Thank you, auntie. Thank you, uncle. Thank you. Hello, sir. How are you today?
I'm fine.
Sir, how are you today?
I'm good, thank you.
कैसा लग रहा है डिग्री लेके?
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. Getting a degree from such an prestigious institute is very honorable and.
Sir, please share your name, your department,
Yeah,
and when did you join?
Yeah, I am Abhishek Bhattacharya. I joined in 2001 August.
August.
Yes.
And you are
In branch Computer Science and Engineering, MS.
Degree.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
And sir, you?
My name is Saurav Ganguly and I joined with him in 2021 in Computer Science and Engineering Masters.
Okay. So, sir, what is your next plan? Like job or?
We are planning for PhD. So I'm going to New Jersey Institute of Technology for my PhD and.
I'm going to University of Texas, Dallas.
Dallas.
Yeah.
So, sir, advices for your juniors?
Like just focus on the research and give your level best and see hard times will come. Like in the initial days we struggled a lot in our research and we didn't get the expected results, but as time passed on we were able to make progress and that's I would say is that doing research is very tough. Means it's not a one day affair, so you have to just keep on like hard work and you can get the results.
Thank you, sir. And sir, you are so good player in football as well. I have played with you. Sir, your advice?
basically be true to your work, listen to your advisors, and try to be honest with your work, and definitely you will get your results. Hard times might come, but it will go off one day or the other.
And sir, आप तो इतना अच्छा गाना गाते हैं. I have been with sir in the music room. He is amazing singer as well. Right, sir? Thank you, sir. Thank you for joining us, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Hello, sir. Welcome here. Sir, how was your experience at convocation here?
Yeah, convocation is still going on. It's not completed yet. So, but as far as the arrangement is concerned, it's very good. Atmosphere is wonderful.
Thank you, sir.
काफ़ी अच्छा लग रहा है आपसे बात करके.
थैंक्स. तो डिग्री मिल गई.
बहुत अच्छा
ये
लग रहा
टफ है ना डिग्री पाना?
नहीं, आपकी ज़्यादा टफ होगी मुझे.
थैंक यू. सो थैंक यू. हाँ, कार्तिक और ऐश्वर्या उनका हुआ, ये हुई ना बात.